This is how it's sitting at the minute, where it is sat there. It's not too high up. We'll see what the difference is once we've fitted it. That's like my hand width on the angle it's sat at now. So we've got the wheel off, got it jacked up, put an axle stand under there. So all it is that nut there and the one at the bottom, and the shock comes off and replaced, and then there's just the two bolts in there with the little plate that holds the spring in place, which looks very rusty, so I might be struggling to get that off, but we'll see how we go. But then that's it really, it's not much to it. I'm going to give this a little clean up and paint before I put the other one in as well, I think. Make it look a bit fresher, but at some point I'm going to do the hole underneath and get it under sealed or nano guarded. We've got a bit of dirt leakage on the diesel filler cap as well, but she's not too bad, she's solid. So we'll see if we get the shock off and then see if we can undo the bolts at the bottom there. Right, so we've got the first shock off, and there why it's a bit bargy. It's not even coming out now at all. So we'll be able to drive like it's on rails once we've got these all changed. So I'm just gonna try and get the spring out now, and then we can fit the new bits. Right, I've had to cut the bolts off the bottom because I couldn't undo them because they were rusted as hell. So I cut them off and just smacked the hell out of that because it was welded itself in with rust at the top. So now it should come out.
Nice. Yeah, plate on the bottom.
So that needs cleaning up, and all in there we can do a bit of comparison. Definitely chunkier and a bit bigger. That's solid. That's squishy. So we'll get it cleaned up and then get it fitted.
We've painted everything, and Tristan's managed to change the bump stop over for this one. Looks like it's about had it anyway. So got a nice shiny one on there. You can see Tristan in it almost. So we just got to cut the two bolts down and then start putting the springs on. But yeah, that's shiny. That's a shiny black. We've painted these bits as well, so just got to put it all together now. Whoopee!
So on the next day, I managed to finish off the other side last night, but it was dark, same as always. Weather was starting to rain. It's starting to rain again now, but I'm doing the other side at the back. Excuse me. It's just the same again, all rusted on. So I've got the shock off. Same again with the shock, it pushes in, doesn't extend out again on its own. Springs had it, calipers had it, So we're going to get some new calipers and pads as well at some point in the next week, and change those over while we do the rear bearings as well. Yeah, it's the same with bolts at the bottom of the spring. They're rusted up mega as well, so I'm going to just cut the bottom off, take that off, clean it all up, paint it, and fit the new stuff, same as the other side again. Quite a simple job, just a bit time consuming, that's all. Okay, so we've got the second side done, bump stops, new spring and shock. It's getting a bit dark, I'll show you again tomorrow once it's done. So I've just got the fronts to do and got the extended brake lines to do. Yes, I'll have a tea, please.
I'm the tea man.
I'm cutting a bolt off.
A nut off the top of there because it's seized on. I've managed to get 3 other nuts off the top here and at the back, but the back one's stuck on as well and rusted up. So we're going to try and do the bottom ones, take it off, and then hopefully we can get to that one at the back.
And then we're going to hit everything off with hammers, because that's how we roll. Yay! How do you know when your suspension needs changing? Spanner on the nut on the bottom of the shock, pair of Stilsons on the shock itself. Go on, Tris. Solid.
Good job.
Right, so we got to the point where we have painted, and we've got the new bump stop on. We're just about to stop it. We're just about to put the new spring and the shock on. We are in a bit of a rush because we are losing light, and we've got to get this and the other side done before we go to bed, before Tristan's next 10-hour shift. Yay! So
you're going to be up late.
Sorry?
You're going to be up late then.
Never mind, eh? Cool, speak to you in a bit. So we have the front suspension together after battling the shocks. But we managed in the end. So the cap on the top is all tight. This one was a bit of a pig to get off and to put on. Had to fully compress. Oh, I was looking for that. There you go. To fully compress the shock to be able to get the bushes squished enough to be able to get the nut on, but managed in the end. So yeah, front right's done, just the front left to do now. Obviously new front bump shocks to do it. Oh my gosh, to add to the front, and then we're gonna do the left probably tomorrow now, as it's late again after battling all the rusty nuts and things off. I've had to cut most of it off, so yeah, front left to do tomorrow, and then Hi guys, sorry for the patchy videos. We had a lot of rain and disturbed evenings of doing the suspension. We did manage to finish it, so we've got 2-inch lift all round now. We did have a few bits where we needed bolts for the new bump stops and things like that, so that's all sorted. But yeah, any questions, let us know what we've got. We'll link down below what we've got on what we installed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share us, that'd be brilliant. See you in the next video.